Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. Today I have the Nokia 7 Plus which is ready for unboxing. I'm really excited to use it since it's an Android One phone. But let's just look around the box. At the back of the packaging we have some specifications printed like Snapdragon 660, 6-inch Full HD Plus screen with 18:9 aspect ratio, and so on. Well, this is the black with copper color and it's also the 4GB version with 64GB of internal memory. Anyway, enough of that, let's just jump right into the unboxing, which is pretty easy. Just slide the inner box outwards and access all the goodies. We have the phone which is placed on the right side of the package. Let's just put it aside and see what else is inside. We get a SIM ejection tool and a colorless TPU case, which is a plus to Nokia for providing it. There's a bunch of user manuals which we won't read. Now the left side of the package, which contains a wall charger, a USB Type-C cable, and a pair of earphones. The phone has an amazing look and it's not that heavy, kinda similar to Redmi 5 Plus, which I will be comparing them in a later video, so subscribe if you don't want to miss that. Let me set it up and get back, but we can navigate around the device for the external hardware features. The copper around the device really makes it to stand out. Anyway, at the bottom of the device we have a Type-C port, a speaker grill and a microphone for voice calls. At the top of the device we have nothing except a 3.5mm port. One of the sides we have a volume rocker and a power button. The other side, we have a hybrid dual SIM slot. At the back of the phone, we have some information printed like Android One. There's also a Nokia branding, which is in copper as well. We have the rear cameras, 12 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, which is the main camera, and a 2x telephoto 13 megapixel with f2.6 aperture. We also have a fingerprint scanner and a dual-tone LED flash for night photography. At the front, we have the Nokia branding, a 16 megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture, and a speaker grill for taking voice calls. We don't have an LED notification light though. Before I continue, you can see the phone is a fingerprint magnet, so I would recommend you put the case provided. For the 6-inch screen, it's amazing, not the best though. The colors produced are a bit saturated and the text is sharp. It kinda reminds me of the HTC 10. The performance overall is snappy with no lag at all, but this could change when opening heavy games or apps. I will test the device and give a review later. But for now, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.